a 19-story new building tower sitting on and above the back of the mining exchange was a major challenge. It's been a landmark for about 90 years now, and the key decision was to find a way to respect the mining exchange while we're building the new building.
The technology has advanced so much. The point cloud that we used to survey the historic building was accurate to within 1/4 of an inch. We used building information modeling, 3D models. By modeling in 3D, we were able to design the new part of the building around it and keep it very accurate.
The next step will be to remove the remainder of the ceiling. In about 3 months, what we should see is blue sky with a big series of support posts holding up these brick walls.
Because we had to keep the building in place while we're building the new building. The building was being held by giant temporary structures 35 feet above the ground while they're digging under it and making foundations, which is almost unprecedented.
Having a 19-story building come down on top of a landmark historic building, we had these big transfer beams to hold up the high-rise above.
And the transfer beams are like railroad trusses. They're like 50 tons each.
Down.
Then we slowly came up underneath it with concrete. We kept building the new building all around it. One of the wild things for me was after all that was put back in, it felt like I was back in the old space. It was really hard to remember when there was no floor and the walls were floating up in the air and there was no ceiling. Because we've been working on it in 3D for so long, it's like we lived in the future. To see it actually get built and turn out almost exactly like our 3D models and our animations, it's pretty surreal.
This project was going to be one of the most unique that we've worked on, that I've worked on. The coming together of the old and the new, this is special.